Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Carl. Hopefully, you can see and hear me okay. Today, we're going to be going over Softr. Softr, the keyword is Softr review. And this is a pretty interesting platform, to say the least. I have very little experience using it, so I'm not the best. However, I can share with you the general idea. So, a little backstory, a little disclosure. So I am an affiliate for Softr, and they have a great program. And I use them through PartnerStack, I think. And so they recently accepted my application, and so I thought it would be a great idea to go into it and give you the 411. Let's see here. I got about 30 minutes to do this screen share, so try to keep it quick. But as you can see, we're here on this. I have an account with them. I haven't really used it a whole lot, but I'll give you the basic idea of what it is all about. So as I go through it, I'll jog my memory, and I'll start being able to give you an idea of maybe some of the things you can use it for. So as you can see here, we're on the main screen. Um, but a general overview. So what Softr does is it takes your database and it creates a front end. A front end, for those who don't know, basically is like the CSS and JavaScript of web development, like the front end. So Airtable is, if you don't know, a popular database. And what you can do with Airtable is you can build a database that's super easy. It's not anything compared to like PostgreSQL or Microsoft SQL, or I can't think of any other ones. But what what Airtable does is it allows you to essentially take all of your rows and columns, and you can create whatever you want out of it. So I created my inventory. I keep track of all like the sales that I get, my contacts. Oh gosh, you name it. Like the universe is infinite, but that's the back end. So the back end is always your database, and with Software here we can create a front end. So what this would look like, and as far as I've played with it, is like, so say you wanted to create a classifieds, like a website for classified listings where people can buy and sell locally or whatever. You would keep track of all the back end stuff with Airtable. People would be inputting stuff on the front end here with Softr, and then essentially they would be updating that Airtable database for you. And so that what that does is it allows you to for the customer to be entering the information for you, so you're not doing it yourself. And essentially, you're building a front end, so it's constantly being updated. And then with Airtable, obviously, you can set rules so that it will, like, you can do a lot of automation stuff as well. So I know a lot of people cover Airtable. I don't know how many people cover Softr, but I'm just giving you my holistic view of what I would essentially use it for. So some of the other ideas could be, I don't know, you could probably create an e-commerce store with it. Um, I don't know. Let's just look here. Let's just ask the GPT software use cases. So, software is a low code platform that enables users to build web applications and websites. So, yeah, you could build websites with it, but you could build apps too. Without extensive coding knowledge, here are some of the potential use cases. You could build a portfolio website. You could create landing pages, running a marketing campaign. You could create a membership site. You could do an online course. Software can be used to build online course platforms where you can host and deliver educational content, create curriculums. You could do job boards. We talked about that. People would use it as like a searchable database. Event directories. Software can help you create event directories or listing platforms. You can also allow users to search, filter, and based on location, date. So whatever your Airtable database, you can, like, this is the thing with Airtable, is you can do a lot of sorting and filtering. So that's what makes it ultimately, like, really, it's lightning out. That's what makes it super cool with Airtable, is you can do a lot of sorting and filtering, and you can have like millions of rows or tens of thousands of rows, depending on the plan. And so, like, it could be a huge database. You could do like bird watching or something and classify all the birds, and people could like search and find pictures. So why would you want to build something like that? Well, again, it's the front end. So you have a back end, which is basically housing enormous amounts of data and classifying everything. And then on the front end, as you can see here, you're creating something of an online marketplace where people can go and they can either buy or sell or search or filter. Really, the sky's the limit. So Softr came into the scene because they probably realized that Airtable was blowing up. It was becoming a great database of sorts, and being able to put this into a pleasant, friendly way was kind of the key. um, so it says here with the GPT that Softr's flexibility allows for a wide range of use cases, whether you're looking to build a website, application, this no code solution. So yeah, um, how can Softr integrate with other tools or platforms? How customizable are the templates? Can Softr handle e-commerce functionality? So when we get into like the store aspect, I don't know that much about it, but what can tell you is I'd be looking for payment integrations, payments, lots of payment options, tons. I don't want just PayPal. I want like Stripe. I want everything, and what's it? I want a lot of options in case one kicks me off, and that's important. That's my paranoid kicking in, but that's the deal. So I'm kind of curious. So can Software integrate with other tools and platforms? Let's see what's up. Yeah, it can integrate. And so, yeah, you got payment gateways. Now, I don't know if this is all up to date. This is just the GPT, or I use po.com. It's pretty cool. It's very similar. But Software integrates with Stripe, PayPal. So those are the two. And then it also, so we want to look more into that, make sure they offer more of the payment options. But yeah, because I don't, like I hear in a lot of my videos, I don't really care for Stripe a whole lot, and PayPal is just PayPal. I like PayPal. It integrates with email marketing services like MailChimp, Sendinblue to manage customer subscriber lists, CRM systems like HubSpot, analytic tools like Google Analytics, which is cool. Content management software it integrates with WordPress, Shopify, and it integrates with Zapier. Zapier is one of those things that can get pricey with all the automations, but you can do a lot of automations with Airtable as well. Um, okay, so we're looking at the screen. So what's new? I haven't been here in a while. I do have an account. Um, man, it's lightning. I don't know if you guys can see that. So they can update records with one click of a button. I know you heard that. Um, challenges when building your app, custom domains. That's pretty cool. Software Universe. So Universe is probably like a lot of different apps. Or no, universes are like where you can see other people's work. Customize emails, new preview mode, and you can, so charts are always cool. So like if you have a lot of data with Airtable has charts, but Software can probably make these into like really cool looking charts. As you can see, like data visualization is the new thing. Like when people are working at jobs, they CEOs or the managers, whoever wants to see a report, that would be it. So you could see the use case for that, especially like in meetings and stuff. One click update. So we did all that. So we're going in here. Um, you can see these templates that are up here. Oh, you'll see this. So I made one a long time ago. Let's see where I was at. I made an affiliate site thing. I'm not sure. I think it was, my idea was to put all affiliate programs and make a website so people could click on the links, and I just thought that was cool. So I actually built this: discover the best affiliate programs and tech events around the world. Companies with affiliate programs can increase brand awareness, blah blah blah. What are the benefits? So I created that. Oh, I didn't know when you click on that. So you can, these are like, you can move these around, and these widgets. So I guess I was trying to teach people affiliate marketing or something. I didn't do these brands. But all right, so you can see now, so we're previewing it. You can preview on the desktop, tablet, mobile. But if we're looking here, you can see where, I wonder if this is actually synced. Yeah, dude, this is synced up to my Airtable base. But so let's just, yeah, we can't fetch the thing right now. But as you can see, if we were to click on approved, these are what my database has. So you can see all these payment providers, free affiliate support, fast payouts, approved to do. So if I were to click on that, it would essentially show me what I'm looking for. So when you do, you connect your source your Airtable base, and this is easy. Like you just on Airtable, you just give them consent to go in and look at your base. Um, these look like the filters that I have from my database. Search by this or that, and then actions. Are we doing on time? We're 10 minutes in. Um, styles, padding. So it looks like you can kind of design this a little bit. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what it looks like on mobile. So mobile, it looks pretty good. Pages, we got, so these aren't from my database, so it looks like you're actually kind of like creating a website or something. And then you got a little bit of a theme. Nothing really stands out to me. That's the win. I'm looking through here, data sources. I wonder what else you can connect to. I don't know. SEO, I guess that's cool. Unlock features. So this is like the pricing and stuff like that. Again, I'm an affiliate. If you want to check it out, if you want to do it, I'd appreciate it. Go through my affiliate link. I've been using with Koji. It's that link in bio type of thing, similar to Linktree. Click on that and just search for Softr. I'll be putting that in there. And then you can purchase through there. But with the free plan, you can do unlimited apps, essential blocks. Blocks are just usually like templates that kind of go through. Blocks are really useful. I use it with my WordPress site. 49 after trial. That's kind of expensive for agencies. 50 internal app Kanban. So I'm not seeing like anything that really stands out that makes it different. So unless we go down here, we can see Softr dynamic blocks. So they're kind of putting a limit on these blocks. That's kind of crazy. Sign in. Payments. So payments, you can do payments on the free plan. Support. So, I mean, right at the start, that's yearly. So look at that. That's kind of pricey. So right off the start, I'm not like, that's why I kind of didn't go with it and proceed with it, because I wasn't a huge, like, just kind of like couldn't figure out what I want to do. I think this is for people who have an idea of like what they want to do, and they're like literally trying to build a front end from their database. I don't know the exactly what that would be all about. Looks like I have a referral link, but I don't go through here. I go through PartnerStack. Yeah, see your affiliate program, and then I am affiliate for them. But client, so investor portal, that'd be kind of cool. Content calendar. I'm just trying to see like why people would want to use it, you know. So growth lab. Let's see features. Kind of want to see it. Use template, but it looks like it looks like it's trying to create a report for you. So you're going to check your dashboard. You can see all these people, like if it was in your company. Okay. Invoices, pretty cool. And then I think the biggest thing is as a front end for you to search. So I can see where it would be important. And I guess you can get credentials. Here's a video, I think. Google Sheets. It looks like it integrates with Google Sheets as well. And donation tracker. So yeah, but like my question is like, what's under the hood that you can't do with Airtable? This looks like a upper level management type of thing where like if you have a boss, you want to show them. So like maybe I don't fully understand exactly what you can do, but look at there's all these templates so sales CRM, like I don't really need a front end for my CRM. I don't really report to anybody. So, but maybe that's what it is you're reporting. So now, okay, so help desk. This would be important to keep track of statuses of that sort of thing. So like people can create a ticket. That makes sense. So it's the front end. It's like a form, and then the people in your company will fill that out, and then it'll just like create that. So that makes sense to me. I could see that. So again, you guys, like I know to the extent to which I know things, like, and these applications and use cases, somebody else might be in a different position and be like, oh, okay. So my goal here is to kind of give you an idea of like the potential use cases. Even though I don't use it, I know the importance of it, and they're super cool. Like they're really helpful people here, especially since I talked with the affiliate manager, and like I think it was a female, but she was really cool. This looks interesting. So a SaaS dashboard. Mm-hmm. So this is real time. But again, with Airtable, you can see it in real time, but it just doesn't look as beautiful as this. And I'm sure you can export this stuff into a like what would you call it? Um, like a PDF or some kind of different export. So inventory is interesting. Um, yeah, you could put your inventory, but these look like Airtable things too. But this is what your Airtable base would look like on the back end as well. It's just bringing it to the front. But in these, you can also do these with Airtable too. You can see the cards. But with this location, this is more of like a front end type of thing where like that's not on Airtable, that location thing. So you're able to see like your look wherever it's at. Um, yeah, but as far as like somebody ordering the stuff, I do not know how that would work. It says it integrates with like payment stuff, but I don't really know how that works. Legal case management, that could be interesting. Um, issue trackers, facilities, that could be interesting. Let's look at that one. See, there's so many different purposes for this. Um, so like people who don't want to look at the back end, they can see what it would look like on the front end. So let's try to do one more. Well, let's look. I think that's kind of it. So like once you create it, it'll show up right here, and then so yeah, this is it. This is what we're looking at. You're going to be building templates or building stuff, and you can use these templates. Restaurant listings, that could be interesting. E-commerce, events, hotels. You could book hotels. Dude, that's interesting. So as you can see, there's a lot of different examples. I wonder. I just want to know how you pay. So maybe we'll go into depth with another video, exactly like how. Well, exactly how people will pay when they get there. So that would be interesting. My suggestion for Softr would be to really increase the number of payment options people can make. If you can offer a lot of different payment options, a way for people to check out, and I'm just assuming here, I don't fully know, but I would say like that would be really important. Um, so we'll connect the database later. Let's just see. But I see what they're doing, and they're doing a really good job. They're making it easier for people to create websites or apps. So yeah, again, this is what you're looking at. You got the front end, preview it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I appreciate you. Go ahead and check the link in the bio with Koji at Carl's Warehouse, and we'll see you on the next one. All right. Have a good day.